Hello viewers, my name is Alina Petrova. I'm a Russian gray hat hacker. This is my email address. So, today's video tutorial is how to buy and claim stolen PayPal fund from dark web Legit Financial. That's what we will talk about today. Okay, this is my email address. You can contact me at this email address. If you want to know anything related to hacking or carding, you can contact me via email address. Stay with my channel. By now, you should know how to confirm and set up your device for connecting to and browsing the dark web. If you don't, check out my previous video. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Here, I open the website of The One, a financial vendor. The link is provided in the description of my video. When you visit the One website, you can see their products and services. I have used their services for more than 4 years. If you want to know more about this vendor, feel free to contact me via email. The One offers a wide range of products such as Western Union money transfer, exclusive PayPal transfer service, wire transfer, bank transfer, Skrill money bookers transfer, Visa cards in fulls, MasterCards in full. If you'd like to learn more about their products and services, feel free to contact them via email. Today's deal is a $3,000 PayPal transfer available for only $169. This is the best deal on this website. In addition, they also offer $99 and $299 packages that you can choose to purchase. Today, I purchased a PayPal transfer worth $3,000. PayPal transfers are supported for all countries. Funds are delivered within 1 hour. Secure PayPal funds with no limitation issues, backed by 24/7 support. I'm going to buy the PayPal transfer for $169. In that case, I will click on the Pay with Bitcoin button. After clicking on the Pay with Bitcoin button, a form like this will appear after the form comes. You will enter your email address here, the email address where you want to receive PayPal transfer. I am using a random mail address here except for this email. And I am using also my PayPal email ID. You see that their payment information is being generated here. What else? This $3,000 balance is the minimum balance guarantee they are giving for this PayPal. To get this balance, I have to pay $169 USD. This amount will be converted to Bitcoin. I have to send this amount of Bitcoin to their address. So, if I send this amount of Bitcoin to them to this address, I have 29 more minutes. To send it, they have to make this payment within 30 minutes, so I will scan this key or code from my phone and make this payment. Stay with me. I'm making the payment from my phone right now so you can see how it works live. I've just sent this amount of Bitcoin to the provided address. Now, let's see how long it takes for them to receive the payment. You can see that the transaction is processing right now. As shown, they've received the payment completion message. I've made the payment. And shortly after that, they sent me a confirmation. Now, we'll check our email to see if the order confirmation message has been sent. Yes, we have received the email confirmation. The email includes the order confirmation number and confirms that the order has been successfully placed. It also states that the payment has been received and verified, and a confirmation has been sent to the registered email address. Note: funds are delivered within 1 hour. This is the website where the order was placed. At this point, we have not yet received a confirmation message from the vendor with whom the order was placed. We will wait for an email update and will get back to you once it is received. Finally, we have received the order confirmation email from the One. I will now open the email to review the details they have provided. According to the message, they state that the order has been successfully received and that they will send a follow-up email. We received an initial statement from the One confirming the order details. Earlier, we also received a confirmation from the payment processor used to complete the transaction. Now we have received the official order confirmation email from the One. We just send you money. Check your email and use my link to claim it. The vendor with whom the order was placed and provide a link. After going to the link, we get a message. Check your email and tap Accept the money to claim. At this stage, we are waiting for a follow-up email from them, which is expected. We will wait and monitor for the next update. Once the email is received, I will resume the video and provide further information. We have received another email notification indicating that the message is coming from PayPal service and that your $3,000 USD PayPal fund transfer has been fulfilled. Let's open the email to review the format in which the information has been provided. The message, your $3,000 USD PayPal fund transfer has been fulfilled. Congratulations. Payment received. Successful. As you can see, we purchased $3,000 USD PayPal fund transfer has been fulfilled from the One. See you next time. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.